Final thoughts.
Yeah, Carson, we have a great story here. You all have been having the time of your life. This is also on your bucket list, and it's a special day for you.
It is. I just turned 40, and so I've always wanted to celebrate New Year's Eve in Times Square. So here we go.
I'm so happy for you and your young lady because you got what?
I got straight A's. 2 years ago, I was sitting at a party in Washington, D.C., our hometown, and I said that I want to go to that. I want to go to New York City for New Year's Eve. And he said, okay, you got to get straight A's, just 2 straight years. And I said, okay, and I did it, and he kept his promise.
And you did it, and there's a proud papa right there, Carson. Back to you.
Wow, straight A's.
Yeah.
Could have asked for the car. I mean, it's nice here, but...
You should have asked for the car.
Well, maybe a few years until they're driving. And there's a great shot of a million people. Less than a minute now. Okay, dropping. And let's go to the stage and see Michael Bloomberg there to say how he gives them honor, the 2010 Medal of Honor winner, Staff Sergeant Salvatore Guccia. They'll press the button, and here we go.
Patay.
Labas dapat.
Hindi, ikot sa buong bahay.
May bukas mga pinto dapat.
Bakit bukas ang pinto? Ayan na! Woohoo! Ayan na! Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Woo! Napatay.
Labas ka, labas ka.
Happy New Year! Sobra dami ng tao! Sobra! Nasaan ang nagpapatunog? Ay, hindi makita. Dapat makita. Kapatay. Wala ito. Wala na, nalobat na, nalobat. Oo. Patay.
Happy New Year, everybody. For some midnight impressions, let's go down the street. Happy New Year.